Our top story tonight, a new bill before the Idaho legislature would make it illegal to intentionally disrupt a church service. Thanks for joining us here on the news at 10. I'm Morgan Romero. Aspen Shumper joins us from the newsroom. Aspen, this bill sponsor says this is happening nationally and here in Idaho.
Right. Representative Bruce Skog wants to amend Idaho's existing disturbing the peace statute, which currently protects neighborhoods, families, individuals, and funerals. Skog's bill would add religious worship services to that list. When introducing the bill in the House Judiciary and Rules Committee today, Skog says while current law already covers disturbing the peace generally, this new language gives law enforcement a clearer tool when someone maliciously and willfully disturbs worship services. Skog says the bill was inspired in part by incidents happening in Minnesota where anti-ICE protesters enter a church during worship service, an incident that led to federal charges against several people, including journalist Don Lemon.
So I think somebody said this is the Don Lemon bill. It's not, but that may bring to mind what had happened in Minnesota that was so much on the news. I'd encourage you to take a look at the video of what happened to that church service there and how people, for political reasons, interfered with the worship of a church. And we've had some situations like that in Idaho.
Skog says the bill does not have language that criminalizes vulgar or profane speech. Skog says a prosecutor flagged that provision as already unconstitutional under the First Amendment. So the focus here is on the disruptive conduct, not words. The bill would follow Idaho's already disturbing the peace law, which is a misdemeanor up to 6 months in jail and up to a $1,000 fine. The committee ultimately voted unanimously to introduce the bill. The next order of business is a committee hearing where the bill would get a public hearing, an opportunity for the public to weigh in on this, Morgan.
Okay, he said we've already had some situations like this in Idaho. Aspen, did he expand on that at all?
No, just an introduction for the bill, so at least just 3 minutes of just introducing this, but something that could come and be asked in that hearing.
Okay, Aspen, thank you so much.